Weekly test, I guess they're doing it. See this one. This one's good.
Signals in alarm tones were a test of known all hazards radio public warning alarm system for
If I
transmitters
disabled
across
that,
eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, as well as neighboring portions of Kansas and
and
Missouri.
live voice was a fluke, I
During
guess.
potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers to be turned on automatically, alerting you to the impending emergency broadcast. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day.
Everything's
Once
good.
again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Omaha and Council Bluffs area. Rest of today, very windy. Much cooler. Mostly sunny.
The sun is seeing all the radios.
Highs in the mid-30s.
This is still trying to go out.
25 to 35.
Yeah, that was a fail. It was 210 watch.
Northwest.
It's supposed to say RWT, but I find that one is stable. There's the results. Just doing this for fun. No, just showing the results. I can't hear this one. I'm trying to hear this one. That's why I hit my head on that switch.
Miles an hour.
But at least it still went off. All that matters to me, it went off.
Likely until midnight. Then rain and snow after.
Anyways, that's it.